body, feeling the scapular area, drop the hips, stretch your spine, and then hit that magnetic frequency. Now what we're going to do is soften the fingers back, and we're just going to tuck the thumb in. And I want you to get onto the tendons through there. And once you've got the thumb on the tendons, you'll get this hyper reaction. Now if I put the thumb there, it's working, but it's not on an entry point into the body. If I get these, this tendon area, that tendon line, and switch that on, it's more reactive. So if you know Chinese medicine and you know the major points in the body, or if you take an acupuncture point locator and you can locate a point and it's a big one, you touch that point, run energy through it, you're going to get a higher reaction than if you just touch the bulk of a muscle. So we're going to put the thumbs on that, and then produce the stretch, and then run the energy. And you can play with the different points, go around the elbow, and switch the energy in the tendons in the middle, switch it in, and then go to a muscle and do the same. And mentally note, it's more sensitive when you're on a joint. So just on the joints themselves are easier than on the muscles. On the muscles, you've got to stimulate. So if you give me a bit of tension and I feel the muscle, now I dig the claws in, his nervous system reacts, and then I put the energy through his nervous system reaction. He feels pain. I run energy through pain, then he's going to respond. But that requires more tension and bridge. Touching a point, it's just touching and switching the energy on, and you're not digging in. So with muscle, you've got to dig in. With joints, you just need to touch, switch on the magnetic. And depending on the person you're working with, you may need to stretch a little bit more to get their back open before you switch it on. And people who are very, very open, you just need the softest touch on the point, switch it on, you'll get the reaction. And categorize that bell curve. People who are more earth, water, fire, air, and get used to utilizing that, because you use a different strategy with each person when you're interacting with them. Okay, partner up, have a play.